Well, this next group has attained the pinnacle tier of production as our Platinum Circle of Excellence Individual Achievers. To meet the Platinum level of our Recognition of Excellence Awards, you must have achieved over $50 million in home sales or 31 plus units sold. We have people in this group who actually crushed the minimum threshold. A huge congratulations to each and every one of you. Platinum Circle of Excellence Individual Award winners, as your names are read, we invite you to approach the stage to the left and enjoy your moment in the spotlight. So please, let's join everyone in this walk of recognition across the stage as we applaud your incredible achievements.
Eddie Bates, Hagen Beauvais, Jen Blake, Sheree Gray, Robert Brown, Jose Cabarcas, Kyle Cadell, Sean Cadell, Gary Cashman, Nadia Colucci, Chase Caldwell, Lindsay Dunlap, Madeline Coley, Tammy Fuller, Rachel Gardner, Melissa Goldsky Tucci, Noah Grassi,